Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You sign in and go straight to account settings because that's where billing lives. Once there, make sure you're using the account owner profile. Netflix limits payment edits to the primary account holder. You'll need your new payment details on hand, card number, expiry, CVC, or the PayPal login, so you don't leave the page. This avoids session timeouts and failed updates. Now tap or click Manage Payment Info to begin the change. Don't skip verifying your identity if prompted. You choose Change Payment Info and pick the method you want, card, PayPal, or gift code, because each follows a slightly different flow. For a card, enter number, expiry, CVC, and billing ZIP. This must match your bank record for authorization. For PayPal, you'll be redirected to log in and approve charges. Once done, hit Save. You should see the new method as active. Make sure the replacement date aligns with your next billing cycle to avoid interruptions. You confirm the update by reviewing the billing date, last 4 digits of the card, and the payment icon so charges go to the right source. If the card is declined, try again carefully. Often it's a wrong digit, expired card, or bank block. Call your bank to clear authorization holds. If you can't change methods because you're not the account owner, contact the owner or use Netflix help for ownership transfer steps. This closes the loop, so service continues uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.